But Kambla Mibla am lo identify ground also. Long Roxin district or Roxin Papa ground or no gat. Kamlo check him tini bla Papa ground. Tini bla also name. Mark blo ground nibla give him stab yet. Or ibla go na tini bla like ibla come inside. My believe blow me over the time and work in partnership. One time on Papa ground, one time district, one time over the line. So that you can deliver the service. Because at the end of the day, service and you will work no say. Benefit you black can. You must take him ownership or something. So if you not take him ownership, now I come up. And when we put him cow on the side, all man will call him Banish love, kill him cow stuff. Or we plan him something for man will look then I'm hard now. Even though a police look, I'm stand by there. So people already take him ownership and we look how much work. So that's where we are. Now, Mibla come, Mibla come identify him. Talk to Mibla. Once you blow him now, Mibla can go ahead. Na secretary staff, secretary to him, chairman, Mibla LDC. So everybody go ahead. Na Mibla kisimol all survey all line again. Strategy all pack look. Talk to them about parties involved. Okay. So Mibla tini lo come back now. So Mibla look revive him work long livestock. But in partnership with them, district, in partnership with all man place too, over the line.
We welcome you, we can support and we can have some projects and benefit. Now we know that Marape and Cuban government is advocating on taking back unity through agriculture. So we really support this initiative because it's a sustainable industry. You look at children here, I've lived here all my life, and it's really a relief to have a minister here, and I really hope we will kick off something from here and then we will succeed in whatever we will do, because we have been praying and we've been doing all kinds of things silently, so now I think God has answered our prayer and you are here. So I thank you for your coming.
Now, me like Muslim dila something must come up. Hurry up na mibla must kaya na work one bogi money na work na mibla sim benefit legally na mibla dai. Nungud mibla dai na ti Pablo mibla salim na mibla pa dai na tinga. MY.
Thank you.
So me like Muslim agriculture must come back na make him work. Want them more people na mibla can work one time.
Baya, mul baya lumisa. And please bla kaya kaya. All kita kaya kaya you talk along and him say come up lo ye. Maybe like a good black ground.
Thank you.
Now this like ground by a value stab long in here. Agriculture lease ground here. This la belong government. We said government or government bring him investor or we said come develop this like ground. Belong developing this like ground. You blow papa ground go back. Me blow walk along here kaya money stop. Give him ground, he go along government. Work agriculture must come up. Long just Marabe talk. Kissing back Papua New Guinea. How about you kissing back Papua New Guinea? Through long economic or agriculture. This is a place you told LDC here. Through LDC. Finish long and then 92. Now I think you have 20 years something now. We will stop now. Now we will come back na me la. I'm much to give la. Now you know one member Karai long grand me stable whenever me come all same now me looking me first time you come na. I'm much to me and you go hand up through na. Me or same dog but me or same or you tile. Also na, this la story mi puti mandable you minister you come na mi amamasle you ground emba mi blamba inu na kisim back because papa blom mi bleng giving finish long kapman na blom LDC mi stavia silang giran emblem LDC